Today I'm making a simple red onion tea, a powerful home remedy that's helped calm the throat fast. Red onion is rich in antioxidants, great for smoothing the throat, ease congestion, supporting immune system. Just slice a couple slices of lemon, pour hot water over it, add a bit of honey, which is optional. And the simple, natural, superiority, effective, give this a try whenever you need to relieve your coughing. This simple tea is just made with red onion, hot water and honey. If you do find value in this content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.